So guys, what's your perfect breakfast? Mine is a lovely cup of coffee, and you'll never guess what? An Oreo biscuit. That is my perfect breakfast. Just a quick little dunk. Delicious. Sometimes I don't like it and I have to just spit it right back. But for now, I can just take it, crush it like this, make it vanish completely. Hard to believe, I know. Yes, I know, that's very cool. But was it? Let's get some stronger magic going, shall we? Right, leave a comment and we'll get some strong magic going. Don't read what's on this because it's very, very bad. It's my wife. She thinks she's funny. I think it's very immature. Very, very immature. Mature? Yeah. Oh, just started TikTok, by the way. So please follow me on TikTok so you can see more magic like this. It's just for fun. But yeah, follow me on TikTok at Rashid El Hejwi. I might put a link in my YouTube description actually to find it easy, so you can find it easier. That'd be pretty cool, won't it? Last time. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Till the next episode. Keep cool, keep safe, especially online. Just keep it real.